The switch is a simple slide switch. It breaks one side of the circuit to turn the tool on and off. After years of use, the switch can wear out. A bad switch might work intermittently or not at all. You can easily test for a bad switch using a multimeter. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the tool. With the cover removed, I have access to the switch. I'll pull the switch away from the housing. Disconnect the pink wire from the controller and the black wire from the cord. Now I can install the new switch. I'll reconnect the black cord wire and the pink wire from the controller. And I'll slide the switch back into the housing. And now reinstall the rear housing. And secure it with the screw. And now you can replace the switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.